Hello. Thanks for watching this brief presentation that's going to focus on home care insurance plan options specifically for residents in the state of Arizona. My name is Jesse Sloan. I'm director of the American Association for Long-Term Care Insurance. We're a national trade organization, a leading resource of information for consumers, and we also support insurance professionals who market these types of plans and solutions. For more information, I encourage you to visit the association's website, aaltci.org. So when you think about it, here's what we all recognize, the old slogan, there's no place like home. That's true. And here's also what's true. If you live a long life into your 80s, your 90s, and for some of us, even past that, the chances are exceedingly high that you will need the care, the services, the aid that is referred to as long-term care. And when you do need long-term care, wouldn't you rather receive it and remain in the comfort and familiarity of your own home as opposed to having to go to a skilled care facility to get care? Of course. But here's the other reality. Care in your own home can be costly, and little, if any of it, is covered by Medicare or insurance. Long-term care insurance will pay for home care, but people have a lot of preconceived notions about it. And so that's why we prepared this presentation, because there are a couple of affordable options today that are well worth considering. Specifically, there are two options from Aetna, which is a leading national insurance company. These products are available currently in Arizona. The first one's called Recovery Care. This will provide you with care services in your own home. It has the option of also adding features that will provide care in assisted living or even in a skilled nursing home care. The second policy, Home Care Plus, does exactly what it sounds like. It covers care services, very specific, that will take place just in your home. And this policy is ideal, in my opinion, for applicants who are older or who have some current health issues. The application process is pretty simplified on this, a series of yes/no questions. Quickly, what are some of the benefits for you? What makes this worth considering? Well, the first is these policies can provide you with a cash benefit of up to $1,200 a week. The second one is, unlike some other policies that will only allow you to apply up to certain ages, generally in your mid-70s, these policies will take applicants up to age 89. The third benefit that I particularly like is some traditional policies that you might have read about have a deductible or an elimination period before you're qualified to start receiving benefits. These policies have a 0-day deductible option, meaning you can get benefits immediately. This is particularly important if you're living on your own when you might need care right away. And lastly, these policies have some significantly advantageous pricing for women who are on their own, single women, divorced, widowed, etc. Definitely make them worth looking at. I'm going to show you two examples. This is for the Recovery Care policy. This is where one would have a home care benefit of $1,200 a week for up to 52 weeks, so a year's worth of coverage. That means a potential pool of benefits of a little over $62,000. The cost for a 63-year-old male or female is basically $56 a month at age 63. If you were applying at age 73, the cost is going to be higher. You're certainly much closer to the point in time when you're going to need care. So for the same amount of coverage, that $62,000 pool of benefits, the cost for a male or female age 73 would be $119 a month. What I tell people is there are generally a couple of questions that you want to have answered. Do I really need this? What's not covered? What is covered? Where would I get care? What kind of conditions might happen to me that would cause me to need this type of coverage? Can I health qualify? Both of these policies require that you meet certain health qualifications that will depend on the medications you take, what conditions you might have. Can I save money with all insurance? You pay based on the options that you pick and choose, and saving is something that we always want to take advantage of. And then lastly, what other plans are available? There's never a one size fits all perfect solution. It's really tailored to your particular needs, your particular budget. And for that reason, I always recommend and say that it pays to work with a long-term care specialist. That is someone who's independent. They don't just work for one particular carrier. They're experienced. They've been doing this for many years. They don't just sell one or two policies a year. This is their area of specialization. And they represent, as I said, multiple insurance companies so that they can get you the best coverage for the best price. And if you'd like to connect with a specialist for the state of Arizona who's licensed and appointed in the state, please feel free to call the association from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific time. The phone number is right there on your screen, 818-597-3227, or you can send me an email to jsloam@aaltci.org. Specifically ask to connect with a short-term care or long-term care specialist in Arizona, and we'll be more than happy to forward your information to one individual who will reach out to you. It will not be shared with lists or anything like that. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. I hope you found this initial introductory primer of help and benefit to you.